Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to HTML format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option this menu bar and this right side here you will find this more tools option. Click here and this HTML option select and you can save this source folder or you can change a specific folder. And in setting option here you can change language recognition for OCR and you can convert all pages or custom page range. Now select OK and finally select OK. This HTML file now converted and created. Now open folder and this is our HTML file. You can open it and see this is HTML page. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.